How to fix YouTube white and black screen issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how you can fix YouTube white and black screen issue on iPhone and iPad. Let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Force close the YouTube app. Sometimes a simple force close refreshes the application and solves the white screen and black screen issue. So to force close the app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Now find the YouTube app and swipe it up to close it. After that, close the rest of the application as well. Now reopen the YouTube app to see if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Turn on off mobile data. For that, swipe down from the top edge of the iPhone screen. The control center will appear. Here, turn off mobile data for about 30 seconds. Then turn it back on. Turning off on the mobile data will fix your iPhone's network problem. Sometimes the YouTube doesn't work due to a mobile data issue. Method 3. Disconnect and reconnect the Wi-Fi network. For that, launch the Settings application. In the Settings page, click on the Wi-Fi. Here tap on the name of the Wi-Fi network you are connected to and select Forget this network at the top. Now confirm that you want to forget. Now wait for a while, then reconnect the Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Then tap Join to join the network. Method 4. Turn on Set Automatically under the date and time. For that, launch the Settings menu on your device. On the Settings page, click on General. Here, find Date and Time and tap on it. Make sure Set Automatically is enabled. If it's off, turn it on. After that, go back to the home screen and reopen the YouTube app to see if the issue is resolved. So you can see that the problem is solved and now YouTube is working. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.